Stop forcing. Stop pushing. Stop doing. Stop getting frustrated at yourself for not being further ahead than you are at right now. This is an invitation for you to come into a space of nourishment so that you can recharge your energy levels, so that you can connect to your center, your soul, your channel, so that you can move into alignment, so that you can come in, slow down, in order for you to go out into the world and be the brightest, biggest, boldest version of yourself. This is quietness, stillness. This is taking the time and the energy to listen to yourself, to listen to that voice of intuition, to listen to your guides, to understand how to tap into this in order to lead a better life. Life can be easy. Life can be effortless. It's time that we move from a space of doing into being and watch how our lives expand from this place. Join me for 3 hours of teachings, intuitive techniques and tools, meditation, tapping, everything else that we need to release and let go of what isn't serving us, to tap into our soul medicine, to get into a stronger alignment with our channel and our creative vision, and to feel replenished, relaxed, and calm. See you there.